Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well on this chilly day. I came out here to Newmarket mostly because of the hydro high voltage test center that's just over here. And it used to be a building that sat all by itself in the middle of a bunch of open fields. These fields are now all being filled in with commercial and light manufacturing. But I'll give you a little bit more about that down below. Have a great day, and if you can, enjoy the winter day or just stay warm. Bye.